Hey, I'm the Confused Ogre, and today I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to paint blue on your cloaks and robes.
Let's paint.
Okay, let's get started. This method is a little different from your standard base layer highlight. I really like it though. It really goes fast and I think it gives a good product, and it's also easy for all of you beginners out there, right? My goal is to help teach you to paint fast and efficient and also look pretty good for tabletop ready minis. So my base layer is this Thousand Suns blue. 2 thin coats should do the trick, and we will be ready to move on to the next step.
Did anyone else see that?
My big goal in this video is to actually keep these minis in frame, and when I looked in the camera I totally painted across the shield on accident. So no biggie, accidents happen. It's easy to clean it when it first happens, so I just wet it up, scrubbed it with an old brush, and then wiped it off with a washcloth. Good thing it was not on a painted surface and it's just primer. Anyway, let's get back to the video. I'm finishing up my 2 thin coats and we are ready to move on to that next step. We're going to be making and applying a wash. I make it with 3 different parts, 1 to 1 to 1, and those 3 parts are a black wash, a Lamian medium, and this contrast Stormfiend paint. I like adding that Lamian medium because it helps thin it out like water, but it dries a little bit longer and helps keep it from pooling and giving those really dark puddles. So just helps with that coverage, and it takes a little longer but gives us a nicer product. So a quick hit with that wash and fills all the cracks and crevices. Okay, for a third and final step, I'm just going to be doing some dry brushing. Usually when I dry brush, I'm doing that zenithal highlight, but I've started doing it a lot more with just highlighting. It's a lot faster, it's a lot easier, and I get pretty darn close to the same effect as if I'm highlighting with a brush. So basically I'm just doing 2 layers of dry brushing. The first layer is going to be that straight Thousand Suns that we applied initially, and then I'm going to add a little white to it to brighten it up and hit the tips and the other edges that the light hits. Tell me what you guys think. If you like this version, this method, I feel like I kind of came up with it on my own. Maybe there's a name for it, I don't know, but pretty simple. Base with a light coat, hit it with a wash, and highlight with a dry brush. I can't think of a faster and easier way. See ya!